So, opening day, Bagger Challenge 2021. Nick and I were pretty pumped to get the season kicked off, and with a 9-to-5 job, we were stuck with doing a trail that was good views and maybe shorter in length than most. We access it actually via the Whyte Lake trailhead, which is one of two of the more common ways to access this route. And I love that part. You go through old growth forests and you can hear the birds chirping and the creek flowing. It's beautiful. After that, you merge with the Bait and Pal Trail, which carries you up to 600 meters before turning left and finishing the last 15 minutes off towards the West Knob viewpoint.
Told you this was bad news, but insisted that you tried. The lights turn off, you grab my coat, come in close. You whisper, hey, I'm your girl, baby, you're my boy. Addiction seemed bad until I you, girl. I didn't know sadness till I had something to lose, girl. And so I took all my madness and I put it in a letter to you. Signed it with love, your darling, always, forever. Addicted to loving you.
Bait and Pal Trails there. West Knob here.